Turning enterprise data into business value data is everywhere. Modern enterprises generate massive amounts of data. Customer transactions, application logs, user behavior, operational metrics, but raw data alone has no value. Value comes from how it is used. From data to insights, the first step is transforming raw data into meaningful insights. This involves data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, visualization. Organizations use these insights to understand trends and patterns. Data-driven decisions. Companies no longer rely only on intuition. They use data to improve customer experience, optimize operations, predict market trends. Better data leads to better decisions. The role of modern data platforms. Modern platforms help process and analyze massive datasets efficiently. Tools like Snowflake and Databricks allow organizations to store, process, and analyze data at scale. The real business impact when used correctly: enterprise data can increase efficiency, reduce operational costs, improve strategic planning, create competitive advantage. The future in the modern digital economy: data is not just stored. It is transformed into intelligence. Organizations that turn data into insights turn information into business value.